as you just saw, I've used another intro again from the same guy that made yesterday's intro, and I'll be using these more for my vlogs. Of course, I can now mix up with the original intro I had and the two new ones. So stay tuned and let me know what you think of all the intros. That's how the weather looks for today, and that's why my walk is going to be short. I was hoping to go for a longer walk today, but a lot of rain and thunder and lightning this morning, and I wanted to wait until it was over, so oh well. Today I noticed something weird on yesterday's video, and that was that in the course of about, say, at least more than 12 hours, the video just received one view, and I can't figure out what went wrong or why it's just gotten one view on it. Usually overnight it has some more views, but this one doesn't, so I'm not sure what I did wrong, or it's just too short for anybody to likely watch. But if you know what could be wrong with it, let me know. Today I found out that the video editor I'm using, Kdenlive, has been updated to version 0.9, but they just reported it, so I can't download it yet. But I've seen the new features and the bug fixes, and I must say I'm really impressed with it, so I hope it's coming out really soon so I can play around with it. And if you want to, guys, try it out. It only runs on Linux or on Mac through Mac ports, not on Windows, but you can try to find a Linux distro that runs on a live CD and then try it out. But the original link is kdenlive.org, if I'm correct. I just noticed that, as you could see also, the geese that were sitting there, they are missing the yellow one. Maybe this is another geese family, but I haven't seen the other ones in the last couple of weeks, so not sure where the yellow guy is. Get it. Look. I'm not sure if you can see it totally, but they aren't sitting on the nest anymore while there are still eggs in it. Are those eggs going to get cold? What could be the reason? I know food could be one, but usually one sits on the nest, the other one feeds. But awkward. He does that every time I get here. Why are people throwing those bins in the water? It's not good for the nature. Don't litter, but also don't throw those things in the water. It's bad. Just can't get enough of those small birds. Sorry if it's spamming to you, but I do love them. Wow, wind is really starting to blow. I'm just walking on another path that is here in the park. There's a lot of parts of the park I've already discovered, but a few paths I haven't taken yet. But it's another parallel to a path I would usually take, but it leads to the same point. There's another path here with stones. The ones I showed you earlier were in another part of the park, but look. I'm not totally sure where they lead, and seeing that they are partially underwater, I'm not sure if it's wise to go stone hopping at this point. I'll go back and explore another time. So that's it for today's video. Please check out the description box, and also if you could check out yesterday's video and let me know which intro of the vlogs you like better, the original one I created or one of the other two that were created by the person that's also linked in the description box. I can't pronounce his name, sorry. But let me know, and you guys are gonna see me tomorrow again. Goodbye.